Hey, ATD New Orleans, it is Mimi Brown. Do you want to make 2022 your best year ever? If you answered yes, then I am so looking forward to seeing you on December 28th from 10 to 12 p.m. for the Visualize Your Success Vision Board Workshop. During this workshop, I'm going to walk you through the 4-step process that I used and I've helped a number of other clients and actually hundreds of people use to create and manifest the life that they've always dreamed of. Whether it's relationships, careers, wealth, you name it, you can use this process to bring whatever you want into your life. I'm also going to take you through the patented Be, Do, Have activity, which really helps you get centered in on who you need to be so that the things that you want to do and the things that you want to have, they'll start to show up for you. I'll also give you some money manifestation tips so you can bring more cash into your pocket like yesterday. And lastly, I'm going to share with you the number one secret that most people miss out on when it comes to creating the vision board the right way. So if any of those things kind of tickle your fancy, I look forward to seeing you on December 28th